Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies from one of the state university, and you may apply from any state from all over the India, so there is no restriction here. And assistant professor level 10 category, so here the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month, and here the total 117 vacancies are there. And apart from the assistant professor, here the associate as well as the professor vacancies are also there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Present content of the video. So it is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gorakhpur University. Okay, it is one of the state university, guys, and from this one here there is a recruitment notice for the teaching staff. Okay, so click on that one, and then you will be directed to the advertisement regarding this notification, guys. So this notification released on 6th May 2021. So online applications are invited on prescribed application form to fill up the following post of here the professor, associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are there. So for all the things, the last date is the 10th June 2021. So coming to the professor, here the different departments are there. Okay, you may check down. And coming to the, I will directly take you to the assistant professor, guys. Okay, yeah, fine. So online applications are invited on prescribed application form to fill up the following post of assistant professor, 7th central pay scale, level 10 category. So 57,700 to 1,82,400. And the duly completed application form with the required self-attested documents must reach the office of the assistant registrar, admin building, DDU Gorakhpur University, by registered post or else a speed post only on or before 10th June 2021. Okay. And coming to the departments here, economics, English, biotechnology, philosophy, ancient history, archaeology and culture, zoology, adult and continuing education, geography, medieval history, psychology, and Mahayogi Guru Shri Gorakhnath Sodhpit, and chemistry, defense and strategic studies, botany, commerce, education, Sanskrit, and Hindi. Okay, so these are the different subjects, guys. And you may check down here as per the caste category also the number of vacancies are divided under the unreserved category OBC, SC, ST and the EWS. Okay, so under the unreserved category 10 posts are there, and for the OBC 8 posts are there, and SC, ST 14, and coming to the EWS 12 posts are there. So these are the different vacancies from the assistant professor side, guys. And application form, other details and qualifications as per the university are available on the university website itself. The online application filling process will close on 7th June 2021. And coming to the application fee, it is 1500 rupees for the unreserved OBC and EWS category, and 1000 rupees in the case of SC, ST category through online process via the university website. Okay. And here the few more details are given here, so you may check down carefully, guys. And apart from the assistant professor, here the professor as well as the associate professor vacancies are also there. So I will just tell you the subjects from these things, because for the professor and associate professor, the PhD qualification is mandatory. And how to apply for this one, okay, I will tell you at the end of this video. So while coming to the professor subjects, economics, industrial microbiology, electronics, Urdu, English, computer science, mathematics and statistics, ancient history, archaeology and culture, adult and continuing education, medieval history, psychology and Mahayogi Guru Shri Gorakhnath Shodhpit, chemistry, political science, botany, commerce, business administration, law and education. Okay, and coming to the associate professor, the subjects are economics, electronics, English, maths and statistics, philosophy, ancient history and zoology, adult and continuing education, geography, physics, medieval history, psychology, and Guru Shri Gorakhnath Shodhpit, chemistry, defense and strategic studies, political science, botany, commerce and law. Okay. So coming to the application procedure, what you have to do is that you have to take the prescribed proforma and write down the complete details and the duly completed application form with the required self-attested documents, you have to send hard copy to the mentioned address here, okay, on or before 10th June 2021, either by the registered post or else by the speed post, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide